Hi, how's it going? Today we're going to go over an iPad drawing lesson on Procreate, okay? I'm going to be using this iPad, and I'm going to be using this Apple Pencil. You can still use just a regular stylus, but I'm going to go through it step by step and show you how to draw an Among Us crewmate. Let's get started, okay? So first thing is first, I'm going to go to black here, and I'm going to select my brushes in my cartoon brush set. If you know, basically want to pick that up, I'm going to put the link in the description. It's a brush set that I made and I use every single time. Let's use the standard, yeah. So I'm going to go right here, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start with kind of a curve above here. So undo is you press two fingers on the screen. So curve right here, press undo, do that. Curve right there, see? Curve. For kind of the crewmate's lens, that's kind of what I'm going to do right now. Curve right here. Going to go on this side and draw a curve on this side as well. Just a slight curve. Oopsie daisy. And that's the cool part about this. You can kind of just redo over and over again. Do one more. One more. Cool. And I'm going to go right here underneath and curve underneath. So you have that lens that the crewmate tends to have, right? That's what's cool about it. I'm going to go right here and I'm going to draw a little bit of his forehead. So he's going to be looking that way. Curve right here. One more time. Curve right here for the forehead. Don't forget, definitely hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification. I'm going to post 2 lessons every day. One in the morning, and that's going to be more of a normal pencil and paper drawing lesson on everything you can think about. And then I'm going to post one iPad drawing lesson in the evening because that is requested. Some of you kind of draw on the iPad, so you can also look at it as a normal lesson as well. You can do this on paper as well. Curve over here for the top of the head, right there. I'm gonna go over here to the front of the body, and I'm gonna go down here and pull down for the front of the body. Go over here now, and for the back of him, pull more or less straight down as well. It's kind of hard because when I'm drawing like this, I don't really have anywhere to lean my hand on. You know, normally I'm like leaning my, let me do this one more time. Bam, there you go. Gonna go over here for the foot, curve underneath. Let's say one more, curve underneath. If you want more iPad drawing lessons, let me know. Hit the like button, by the way. I want to see who is coming out here for these. I would love to kind of understand who's seeing these. Curve up here for the foot. Foot's going to curve up a bit. You can just kind of repair the line a bit here. Go over here underneath the body. Whoopsie daisy. Curve underneath the body. And then over here on this side, I'm going to pull down just a bit and pull up. Right there. So what I can do on this is you can kind of repair the line. See how it's kind of bubbly here? I can go right here and just gradually kind of go over it a bit to repair a little bit of the line to make it look cleaner. Right? Just to make it look a little bit more clean and make those lines just look a little bit cleaner. Just ever so slightly. If you're an Among Us crewmate you're an Among Us fan, tell me hello, say hey, what's up, how's it going? If you like these lessons, like I said, let me know. I want to keep doing these because I notice there's quite a selection of people that are really big on iPad drawing lessons. And these are bonuses, by the way, so it's not like these are replacing the regular lessons, right? So these are additional. Cool. So if we want to move this character, go over here to the top, select. Right there, the little arrow. Make sure it's on freeform. Then you can move this guy around on the page. If you want to color him, this is the cool part about doing it on Procreate. Procreate, you can very easily go over here to the right hand corner, select the color, it's that dot, and let's just say we're going to make him red. That's more like a bright red, right? We can choose whatever kind of red we want. Let's take really bright. Gonna go over here, drag it, boom, and drop it in there. Isn't that awesome how easy that is? It's like amazing, right? How quick the stuff is to color. Again, Procreate, I'm just using an iPad. And like I think this pencil, I'll put it in the description, but pencils You can use a regular stylus or even your finger. I think you can. I believe you can use your finger as well. So, but it's just easier with this. So let's go over here to the screen that he has, and I'm gonna put like a kind of a, let's go blue, and I'm gonna go over here and pick something in the middle right here, and I'm gonna go here, drag it down, and select that there. So let's just say we want to draw a little bit of shit. Oh, you know what I forgot? This is amazing. This is the biggest error I have ever done on any of these. Go down to black, and I forgot to give him a backpack. Pull line out, curve down, pull line in, and now he has that backpack. If you want to select this color, push your hand on there. Oopsie daisy. What happened? There you go. If you hold it long enough, it's going to auto select that color, the red, and I can drag it over here as well. Alright. What I'm going to do is if you go to the top of the screen, and by the way, if you want to learn how to draw in general, go check out the Skillshare. There's general drawing lessons. There's also tremendous amount of different little things on the description. So go take a look at that. There's a cute drawing ebook if you want to learn how to draw cute, like the actual proportions of cute. And also just some playlists that you will absolutely love. So let's go over here on this side. And I'm going to go to the freeform, I believe right here. I'm going to see, where is it? So it's going to be that S looking thing. It's kind of a selection area. And I'm going to go, whoops, it easy. And I'm going to put freehand. See, it says freehand down there. And I can select any area I want. So I'm going to go over here, maybe put like a circle over there. Because I want to put some white over here. I'm going to go over here, go to the, turn it white as I can. Okay. Drag it over here. Boom. Oopsie daisy. There we go. See how that area is white now? The other cool part is I can do the exact same thing. Press that S, freehand, and I could maybe do this just all around, and I'm gonna make this darker. So I'm gonna select over here, select that red I have over here, and I'm gonna take that red on this color wheel and drag it down, just down to the right, because I want that saturation. And I'm gonna pull over here, right there, and pull over here, right there. And then I'm gonna unselect that, and you have like a shadow there, right? You can understand how this kind of really makes stuff come to life. And that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed that lesson. It's very simple, very easy. Please, if you have any questions, ask me in the comments. If you stayed to this point, if you can hear my voice right now, say hello to me in the comment section, and I promise I will reply back, okay? It's gonna let me know if you stuck around. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will see you in the next video. See you later, artists. Don't forget, pick up a brush set if you are into drawing on your iPad. Pick up a cartoon brush set. I'm gonna put the link on in the description, okay? See you later, and I'll talk to you soon.